Happy birthday, Dad. Congratulations, sweetie.
Thanks, guys.
Here, I've got a gift for you.
Wow, thanks. What is that?
I farted in there. If you ever miss me, you can open it. Smells like me then.
Yes, thanks, Lisa. I've got something for you too, Dad. What kind of list is that? These are things I want for my birthday or Christmas. Then you don't have to worry anymore. Wow, thanks, Samuel. It really is a great gift.
Here is my present.
These are tickets for Portugal's European Championship game.
They're not just any tickets. Take a close look.
They're VIP tickets. We even meet the players.
Yes, you really like Cristiano Ronaldo. Today you'll finally meet him in person.
Sue, will you be okay without us?
Yes, don't worry. Just enjoy the game.
Okay. If there is anything, then just give us a call.
We'll do that. Have fun in the stadium.
Are we going?
Yes, we can start.
See you later, kids.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
You've got no chance against me.
We'll see that later. I can't believe it. I'm really meeting Cristiano Ronaldo. Thank you, Marie. That really is the best gift ever.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm so excited. What am I supposed to tell Cristiano?
Why don't you ask him for an autograph?
Do you really think he'll give me one?
Sure, why not?
That would be really awesome.
Shall we start with our FIFA tournament?
Yes, we can play all day. Mom and Dad won't be back until evening.
Perfect, then we'll have plenty of time. Which team are you taking?
I'll take Spain.
Hey, that's unfair. Spain is far too good. Pick a worse team.
Why are you afraid of losing?
No, I'm not afraid.
Then play instead of crying.
Okay, then I'll take Germany.
That is unfair. They have Toni Kroos and Musiala.
Are you crying now, or are we finally playing?
Let's get started. We're here. This is the stadium. I can already hear the fans.
Let's go in. So we still get the good seats.
Yes, I just need to quickly put on my shirt. I specially brought my CR7 jersey. Your tickets, please. Here you go. Wow, those are VIP tickets. They're really rare. Where did you get them? My wife got them. It's my birthday today. Wow, I would love to have a woman like that too. Mine gave me a 3-day-old cheeseburger for my birthday. Okay, can we get through now? Yes, of course. Your cabin is back there. You'll meet the players when the game is over. Have fun.
Yes, goal. Who is the loser now?
That is unfair. Germany is simply too strong. And my controller does not work.
That's right, it's the controller, Samuel. Keep telling yourself that. I'm just better than you.
Why are we just playing against each other?
What do you mean by that?
We can also play together against others. It's a lot more fun.
Okay, why not? We can give it a try.
Wow, you really can see the whole field from here. I've never been to the VIP area before.
It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
How much did these tickets actually cost?
Don't worry about that. It's your birthday.
Thank you, Marie. You really are the best woman in the world.
So how does that work now?
We're playing against 2 others online. We can talk to them too and stuff.
Okay, but we have to win.
Yes, definitely. Look, these two sent us an invite.
Okay, let's destroy them both.
Hey Stefan, there are two here who want to play against us. Are you coming? Where have you been the whole time? Relax, I just went to the bathroom for a minute. Who wants to play against us?
We need a team name. Do you have an idea?
How about the Devil Duo?
No, it's too serious. How about Hangover 96?
That's good, let's take the name. They're Hangover 96. What kind of a name is that? They can't be good. Come on, we'll beat them quickly. They have no chance against us. Who are we actually playing against?
They can't be good.
Welcome back to the European Soccer Championship. We're in the round of 16 now. Today we are watching the game between Portugal and Slovenia. It's probably going to be a head-to-head race. Oh my God, it's starting. The game is about to start. I'm so excited. There he is. Cristiano Ronaldo is on the field. Do you see that, Marie?
Yes, I think I see him. He looks just like he does on TV. Or even better.
I think he just waved at us.
Seriously, Cristiano Ronaldo waves at us? I can't anymore.
Are you okay, honey?
Yes, I'll get right back up. What are you doing there, Lisa? Just pass the ball to me. I don't want to lose to the idiots.
Then try a bit harder. I haven't seen a good ball from you yet.
Focus on the game, Lisa. They're just starting a counter-attack. Goal. I'm telling you they can't do anything.
Man, we lost. What is that supposed to do? I don't want to lose.
Neither do I. We need to play more as a team, Lisa. It's the only way we can win.
Okay, I want a rematch.
Hey, they want a rematch. What do you think? Sure, why not? Then let's just beat them again.
Martin, get up. I think Cristiano is about to score a goal.
Come on, get the ball across. Portugal launches an attack. It's going to be dangerous. It's for you, Cristiano. The ball flies straight to Cristiano. He is completely free in front of the goalkeeper. You can't hold him. Goal. Cristiano did it. Sue. He did it. He will definitely be the best player in the tournament. The referee has ended the game. The final score is 1-0 for Portugal. That was amazing. Cristiano's goal was so cool.
The best is yet to come. We're about to meet the players.
You're right. It'll be so cool. But I'm a bit afraid.
Don't wet yourself now. Come on, I'll even go with you. That can't be true. We've lost 10 games in a row.
What am I supposed to say? These guys are simply better than us. They're so bad. They can't even win against us. Why are they even still playing? I don't want to play against them anymore either.
They don't want to play against us anymore. We cannot allow that to happen. We must win at least once.
Okay, I'll tell them we're playing for $1,000.
Is that a good idea?
Yes, if we lose, we simply go offline. They don't know where we live. Hey, they say we can play for €1,000. Should we do that? Yes, there is no easier way to earn money. Okay, I agree. Oh my God, it really is you. You are Cristiano Ronaldo. Hey man, nice to meet you. I can't anymore.
Sorry, Chris. He is really excited. He is your biggest fan.
No need to apologize. It happens 2 to 3 times a week.
No, Samuel, what are you doing? Come back right away. They can't score a goal.
Now we have them. Play the ball to me and they lose. Goal. We won.
They scored a goal.
We've lost. What are you doing there, Lisa?
I'm turning off the PlayStation. There's no way I'm giving them 1,000 euros.
What happened? They just went offline. They don't get off that easy. They owe us 1,000 euros. Can I have an autograph, Cristiano? Yes, of course. What is your name? I am Martin. Okay, and what is the pretty woman's name? So that's Marie. Would you like an autograph too, Marie?
No thanks, Cristiano. Very nice of you.
Here you go. Oh my God, I really have an autograph from Cristiano Ronaldo.
Come, Martin, let's go. I think Cristiano still has a lot of work to do.
It was great to meet you. See you soon. Okay, just one more thing. Sue.
Come on, Martin, we're leaving now.
That was truly the best gift in the world. Thank you, Marie. I love you.
With pleasure, my darling.
I'm going to jump in the shower for a minute. We're going back early tomorrow, okay?
Yes, see you soon. Yes, hello.
Hi, Marie. It's Cristiano.
Where did you get my number?
I am Cristiano Ronaldo. I always get what I want.
Okay, and what do you want from me?
I have a signed shirt for Martin here. Do you want to pick it up?
Oh yes, I'm sure he'll be happy about that. Where are you?
I'm in the same hotel just 2 rooms away. Just come over here for a minute.
Okay, see you soon. There is someone at the door.
That's definitely the pizza we ordered.
Okay, are you opening up?
Yes, I can do it. Hey, who are you? And where is my pizza? Are you the guy from Hangover 96? Yes, why? We won the last game. And you still owe us 1,000 euros.
Oh my God, Cristiano.
Hi, Marie. Nice to see you again.
Why are you wearing almost nothing?
It's for you. You felt that spark too, didn't you?
No, I love my husband. And what about Georgiana?
Georgiana doesn't need to know everything. Come here now. Have you already forgotten? I am Cristiano Ronaldo. I always get what I want. How many games do Samuel and Lisa lose in a row? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. Leave a comment.